Are you wondering? Our small efforts make much easier ways in dunya and akhirah. क्या आप कामयाब होना चाहते हैं? Do you want जन्नत? जानना चाहते हैं कि जो ऐसा काम जो हमें दुनिया और आखिरत में कामयाब करवाए? Are you wondering? चले बताता हूँ, बल्कि बताना ही क्या है, आप सबको तो पता है। जानते हैं दुनिया और आखिरत में दरूद शरीफ की क्या फजीलत है? Did you know? If you recite Darood Sharif one time, we will get Allah will give us 10 rahmatein. Let's start recitation of Darood today. और ये तो सिर्फ रहमतें हैं, हम तो अजर सवाब का अंदाजा भी नहीं लगा सकते जो दरूद पाक पढ़ने से हमें मिलने वाला है। So if we recite Darood Pak on daily basis, as many times as we can, Allah will give us so much rewards and things that we like in dunya and in akhirat too. I did a little effort. Let me show what effort I did. So as you can see, I have written the names of the week: 1, 2, 3, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, sixth week. Okay. And then I have written Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You'll say, why have you written it? Because it can be your planning time, in which you can have. I recited on Monday 400 times. That's good. But in Tuesday, I recited 600 times. Wow, awesome. Then I recited on Wednesday was 600 times again. Or I will do 700 on Thursday. So this is how you make it. When the week 1 is completed, week 2, then week 3, then week 4, then week 5, then week 6. In this way, beat your previous score just like I'm doing in a game like football, cricket, and in Rubik's Cube, which you can solve it super fastly, and then you say, I have burned my record, I have broke my record. That's how it is. You will say that हम तो ऐसे भी दुरूद पढ़ सकते हैं। हाँ जी, हम ऐसे पढ़ सकते हैं, मगर जब हम प्लानिंग पे करेंगे तो हमारी वो हैबिट डेवलप हो जाएगी। और जब हैबिट डेवलप करते थे तो अच्छी बात है। और ये वैसे एक बहुत बड़ा अल्लाह ताला ने तोहफा दिया है हमें, तो हमें जितना हम रिसाइट कर सकते हैं उतना। चले आए मिलकर दुरूद पढ़ें। लेट्स मेक अ चेन। सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि मुहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Our small efforts make much easier ways in dunya and akhirah. Remember me in your duas, and like and subscribe, because there's a valuable and educational content is waiting for you, just for you. So remember me in your prayers, duas, and I'll see you in the next.